front of me is Google Pixel 9a, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard at the top of it. To activate it, use this switcher at the top right corner, and to go back, this arrow at the top left one. Now to use Clipboard, copy or cut any text, and to paste it instantly, click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, click on Clipboard and tap on your text over here. To pin it, hold it and use pin icon. You can unpin it the same way. To delete it, hold it again, but this time use delete button. To disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!